Experiencing issues topping up your Tesco Mobile online? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems with card payments, 3D secure authentication, and voucher redemptions. Let's address these common issues and provide practical solutions to get you back on track. If your credit card is failing, first ensure you have sufficient funds and that the card details are entered correctly, including the expiration date and CVV. Check if your bank supports online transactions and hasn't blocked the payment. For 3D secure authentication failures like Visa Secure or MasterCard Identity Check, make sure you have a stable internet connection, the OTP hasn't expired, and your device is compatible with the authentication method. If you're having trouble with a voucher, double-check that you've entered the alphanumeric code precisely as it appears, and that the voucher hasn't expired or been redeemed on a different account. Ensure your SIM is active and eligible for top-ups. Clear your app cache and update to the latest version. For persistent issues, use the in-app chat support. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your top-up issues, consider these advanced solutions. For card and 3DS problems, explore biometric payment options like fingerprint or facial recognition within the Tesco Mobile app, which have shown to reduce 3DS failures. Ensure your app and device are updated to support the latest security protocols. Be aware that public Wi-Fi networks can pose security risks. Use a secure network for sensitive transactions to prevent data interception. Looking ahead, Tesco Mobile is integrating more AI-driven chatbots for automated support, potentially resolving issues faster. Blockchain-based vouchers are also emerging for enhanced security. The future points towards contactless top-ups via NFC and voice-activated assistance. With stricter EU regulations like PSD3, expect improved 3DS alternatives like tokenization, aiming for seamless top-ups. Stay informed about potential mandatory two-factor authentication to enhance security and ensure you understand how to use it effectively to avoid complications. Contact support for advanced help.